Welcome back to How Made, where we explore the fascinating processes behind everyday items. Today, we're delving into something that you might not think much about, but use all the time: disposable towels. The process of making disposable towels involves several crucial steps to ensure they are absorbent, durable, and ready for use. It all begins with the raw materials, as wood pulp, or recycled paper. Disposable towels are typically made from cellulose fibers. In the factory, cellulose fibers are sourced either from freshly processed wood or recycled paper products. These fibers are chosen for their absorbency and strength. The goal is to obtain a clean, high-quality fiber that will form the basis of the disposable towels. Once the fibers are sourced, they are processed into a pulp. This involves breaking down the cellulose fibers using water and mechanical methods. The pulp is then refined and mixed with other additives to improve its texture and performance. The mixture is blended into a slurry, which is then spread onto large screens to form a mat. The mat is pressed to remove excess water and dried to create a solid sheet of towel material. The dried sheets are then cut and processed into the final towel shape. The large sheets are rolled onto huge reels, and the rolls are cut into smaller, standard sizes depending on the desired towel dimensions. To enhance the towel's usability, they are often embossed or perforated. Embossing adds texture for improved absorption, while perforation makes it easier to tear off individual towels from a roll. Quality control is a critical part of the process. This ensures that each towel meets the required standards for absorbency and strength. Once approved, the towels are folded and packaged. They are often bundled into packs or rolls and labeled for easy identification and distribution. Packaging is designed to protect the towels and keep them hygienic until they reach the consumer. The final packaged towels are then shipped out to retailers, where they are ready to be used in homes, businesses, and various facilities. The distribution process involves transporting the towels to stores and other locations. Efficient logistics ensure that the towels are delivered on time and in good condition, ready to meet everyday needs. And there you have it! From raw cellulose fibers to the finished disposable towels, each step in the manufacturing process ensures that the towels are practical and ready for use. If you enjoyed this look into how disposable towels are made, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next episode.